This thing's cool. I mean, it's so stable. It's pretty rad.
Hi, I'm Didrik from FlowMotion. It's hard to capture smooth video using your smartphone. We've all been there. The camera is so good that you can make a Hollywood movie with this thing. But your phone is almost impossible to hold steady. And that's why we have developed FlowMotion One, the world's most versatile smartphone stabilizer. Developed by engineers and athletes, but made for everyone. One keeps your phone steady even when you're not, and enables you to capture smooth cinematic videos with your smartphone. One is compact. You can take off the grip, fold it together and fit it in your pocket. And one works even without the grip, allowing you to attach it to any camera and GoPro mount. With the power of your smartphone, One becomes a lot more than just a stabilizer. In the FlowMotion app, we built in advanced tracking technology so it automatically follows any object, a person, or even yourself. Create stunning motion time-lapses, create amazing panorama photos, live stream your moments directly to Facebook or YouTube, or even make cinematic Snapchat and Instagram stories. One is super easy to use. Just slide in your phone and with one click, you're ready to go.
As we all know, trying to record stable video footage with a cell phone is easier said than done. The Stayblcam is a new and truly unique video stabilizer for smartphones and compact video cameras such as the GoPro. For the first time ever, you can record professional-looking, smooth and steady video like this with your iPhone, Android, or Windows Phone. With its revolutionary design, it allows you to record gorgeous-looking video that looks like it was shot professionally. The Stayblcam has been designed to work with smartphones, GoPro cameras, and any other lightweight video camera. The Stayblcam was designed to be used one-handed and is very easy to use. Using only your smartphone and the Stayblcam, you can capture everyday moments and make them look like they were shot professionally. The Stayblcam opens up a whole new world of possibilities for video recording. Anything from video vlogs, weddings and vacation videos, to baby's first steps, sports and activities. The videos you shoot with Stayblcam are sure to impress anyone. You can fly up high or dive down low. Just push it together for storage or pull it apart for your next big shoot. Made from hard, impact-resistant polymer plastic and a very durable and sturdy aluminum construction, the waterproof Stayblcam is up for handling the toughest jobs.
However, after trying out all the tracking stabilizers on the market, we found out there's a lot of room for improvement. It is too easy to lose sight of the target when the object is shaded or simply moving fast. That's where Taro comes in. Taro is an auto-tracking device you can truly count on that will always keep you in the frame.
All you need to do is put on the infrared tag and leave the rest to Taro. Our tracking camera will instantly identify where the object is, and our AI algorithm will pinpoint it exactly at a blazing 30 calculations per second. That's 15 times faster than our competitor. Now with Taro, you can track objects moving as fast as 50 miles per hour. With Taro's zero lagging tracking feature, your object will be constantly locked in, even during very sharp turns. Taro's dynamic tracking works perfectly, even when you yourself are also moving fast, because it sees and captures fast-moving moments so smoothly, you won't even need to look at the screen. With 3 high-torque brushless motors counteracting camera shake, video jitters are now a thing of the past. And with our app, breathtaking action sequences, pictures, and videos are just a single click away.
It's an electronically gyro-augmented Steadicam for smartphones that weighs 1 pound with the inertia and the feel of a big 40-pound rig. Three-axis gimbals. They're not terrific at following action. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oop, there's a little lag there. The Steadicam Volt gives you stability and agility, and that's the key. The Volt effectively puts Steadicam technology in the palm of your hand.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.